Hi everyone, my name is Diana Ulabari, and this is my trip to San Diego that I chose as a memory. We go every year as a family, and it's something to me that's very personal and I look forward to at the end of my school years. So, I'm going to show you a little bit about what I do with my family and how I like to have fun on this trip. One of the main places that we like to go to in San Diego is called Pacific Beach, and it's one of the more popular beaches in San Diego. A lot of tourists go there, and me and my family always end up staying there. It's really cool because on their boardwalk, which you can see right here, they have tons of hotels, different types. They have restaurants, shops, and you can pretty much choose any type of hotel that you want. I personally and my family as well like to stay at Pacific Shores Inn, which is directly on the beach. You literally just walk out of your room and you walk down the driveway and you're led right to the beach. And it's one of the better hotels in my opinion. Great service. We always stay there every year. Have a reservation at the end of the time that we leave, and it's really cool. The boardwalk, as I said, has a lot of restaurants, places to eat. They even have little clubs where you can go in for some drinks casually or eat and stuff like that. One of my favorite places that I like to go to is the pier that they have on there, and it's really cool. It extends pretty far, right over the ocean, and they have some musicians playing on there, and you can listen to music and look at the sunset. They even have little bungalows on there right here, as you could see in the top right, where you could stay. A little bit more pricey and expensive, but really cool experience. But this is just one of some of the main attractions that we love to go to this beach for, and it's just so peaceful and really nice. And we end up going here every year, so it's really cool. I would definitely recommend it. Another place that we like to visit is La Jolla Beach on our way into San Diego, because as you know, it's a little bit before, a little outside of the main attractions. We love going here because you get to see a lot of the seal watches and you get to see the coves and everything that they have here. It's really popular, so you got to get there real early. We like to drive in a little bit earlier than usual and get there around like 8 or 9 and kind of enjoy the open beach with that before the crowd. It's really cool. They have nice little shops, areas to walk around as well. Definitely recommend it. Really beautiful beach. Heard about it because I took an oceanography class at a JC, and this is where we studied it a little bit, and it was really cool. I've always wanted to go there. I always saw La Jolla Beach driving into San Diego, just never stopped and pulled over until one year that we tried it as a family, and it was actually really interesting, really cool. And now it's kind of like a routine. Every year we like to stop there and just check it out. Another popular thing that we love to go to is the gas lamp. Man, the gas lamp is really awesome. A lot of restaurants, a lot of places to eat and drink and just have fun. One of the main places that we love to go to is the Rock and Lobster. They have great food there, great seafood, pretty pricey, but you get a lot of food for your money. And at night, it's really beautiful. A lot of lights, a lot of stuff to do. I have some friends who actually live out in San Diego, so we like to meet up here and just kind of go out for a little bit, for a night or so. And it's really fun. Definitely recommend. They have some hotels there too, a little more expensive, but I mean, you can't beat it. You're right in the middle of everything. It's just a great place to visit if you go to San Diego. Some other things I like to do on my free time. As I said in my intro, I'm very athletic. I love to work out. So I like to go on bike rides. I like to run or walk along the beach every morning that I'm there. We usually stay for about 4 days. So it's really nice workout to run in the sand for those of you who like to run. I also like to boogie board with my family. It's pretty fun. Not very good, but it's just fun just to give it a shot every now and then. But probably my favorite is the bike rides because the pier just goes on for a very long time, and you could see all types of stuff. I mean, you can keep going. You'll hit like a workout part of the beach where they have like their own workout machines like built into the sand, and you can work out there. Or you can have, I see some classes going on out there like yoga or other like cardio workouts, and it's really cool. You see a lot of different things. You can rent bikes there. And I love it. And I mean, sometimes I forget how far I'm going and I have to ride all the way back, and it's really fun. Those are just some of the things that I like to do on my free time. I would definitely recommend San Diego in as a future trip for anybody who hasn't gone there or actually spent time there. I know it's only about an hour and a half, 2 hours away, but if no one's actually ever stayed there and kind of explored what they have to offer, it's really cool. They have so much stuff that you could do. And I've gone there for years now, and I still can't even say myself that I've experienced everything that they have to offer. There's still a lot that I would love to do, like kayaking. They have kayaking also, and just stuff like that. And I plan on going back this year and possibly trying some new things. So I highly recommend, if anyone's interested, to actually go there and stay there and spend some time and explore everything. They also have like SeaWorld and stuff like that, which is kind of expensive, but I went once and it's really cool, really nice, and I just highly recommend this trip. And I really look forward to it every year with my family. It's just something that, as a student, you're always so busy throughout the year, and especially like me, I have two jobs, so this is the one time of the year I just kind of get to relax and do something I really enjoy, and it's so close too, so you can't beat it. I hope you all liked my presentation. Thank you.